Good evening, friends. Welcome to 37th episode of Harmonic Traders. This is your Arunan. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. With respect to WAT Nifty weekly, we have buy around 16,605 with stop of 16,513, and we have sell around 16,887 with stop loss of 16,994. WAT is positional and the SL is always on day candle close. If you are a safe player, you can always exit on 15-minute candle close. Today or this weekend, so already the first day of new expiry has started, right? So with respect to WAT, with Friday's close, you can take all the WAT calculation for stocks, and for index you can calculate both weekly and monthly WAT. So we have already shared the monthly index WAT numbers in our AE channel Stock Times. If you are interested to join this free channel, you could check description for more details. Check Astro alert for this particular week. So everything you can find over here. If you're an Astro lover, just bookmark this, and every weekend you can find the latest ones. You could check our episodes 1 and 2 over here. And very soon there is going to be a live Astro interactive session for absolutely free for our members. So we'll be sharing more details in our Telegram channel. Do join there and get access to this interactive session. Overall, we have completed 12K swing points in Nifty WAT. So last week, like 2 times the WAT numbers were respected, and Nifty gave 197 and 87 swing points with respect to WAT sell. All the past performance of WAT you could check over here. With respect to investment charts, so we have first investment charts in Matrimony. We have a bullish peacock, and you can add 30% near 901, another 30% near 830, and the final support is 760. Targets are 1050, 1300. Tata Metallics, you can add 30% near 878, another 30% near 775. The supports are 720. Targets as 940, 1040. With Klein, you can add 30% near 1515, and another 30% near 1440. The final supports are 1365. Targets as 1665, 1815. And we do have few more investment charts. You could join in our HT Investors channel and get them for free. And the latest outcome on Fed is they are not going to start the rate cuts very sooner. They said like they might start in 2021, but there is no rush. This is good news to market or good news to bulls. So until otherwise they start tapering, there will not be like heavy outflow of money by the FIIs. So this bull run is going to continue for a few more months. Until otherwise we have some news which becomes excuse for the indexes to top. And we have Nifty support around 16,500, 16,210, 15,800. BNF, yes, Nifty is keeping on making new lifetime highs, but that's not the case with BNF. It has not yet crossed its fib lifetime high, and it's under consolidation, or like it's under bearish wolf. On every sell we can use as rise in BNF moving forward. The ultimate resistance is 37,350. The best buying area is 3,400. BNF is under this bearish wolf, and all the rises you can use for sell. The good buy is around 3,400. These are the harmonic sell number 36,950, 37,350. Here you can try to go for positional short by entering in some weekly or monthly put. Ultimate SL is this swing high X plus say like 50 or 100 points. So Nifty, we have trend line resistances coming around this 850, 880 levels. And if in case this channel is broken, we could expect a quick fall. But once again, it's not going to be a crash until otherwise some news comes and that becomes the trigger. Overall, Nifty, it's very strong, to be honest, and try to buy in all the recent falls. And once you have the triggers confirmed and once the top is done, then you could go for aggressive shots. And we have our SEBI registration anniversary offer. So on all our paid services, the validity get extended by 51% and the charges are off by 15%. So this is once in a year offer. It's a limited period offer. Do make use of it. So all the charges of our services you can always find from our website, and whatever charges you are seeing here, from here you get the 51% extra with respect to validity and 15% off with respect to the charges. Do remember, trading with small SL is the core. Never ever violate this small SL rule. And this August series, we have recently started something called X written calls, where we like or love to multiply capital in every single call. Okay, so we gave some free and paid calls as well, and 34 X written is done. And here at least 80% it is available for free. This Titan 1860 put, it was available for paid initially and later for free. So here the amount needed was just 3825 and it gave a max profit of 19,000, or it became 22.2k, right? So you could check anything. Like I said, most are free. This Asian Paint from 15 rupee, it became 83 rupee. If you have invested 4,500 rupees here, it became 25k. So we are trying to bring more option calls for these small traders. Even if your capital is 5k or less than that, we want to try help you. So we are developing on that, and very sooner, like we'll be having a lot of surprise news from us with respect to our option buying calls. September series is starting. Wish you all good luck and have profitable days and months. This is our Telegram channel. You can join here for free calls and learning. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.